Sayang, are you crying? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you, sayang? Happy birthday.
Okay, so today I'm turning 33rd. This morning, I got a phone call from my mama, and my mama just said, "Happy birthday!" And I was crying.
My mama also, and my brother.
Yes, I was crying, and then I just simply said to my mama, "Thank you for 33rd birthday. I'm still in a good health. I'm super happy." But I just said to all of my family members in Bali, I'm 33rd. I'm still do not have a kids yet. I'm still not having a house. Maybe not like any other, my friends in Bali who already, have 2 kids, have a nice house. But even though that I'm not rich yet, but I have rich memories with my husband. Thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. I do miss my family, I do miss my friend, but yeah.
Your first birthday abroad.
Yes, I'm super excited for that.
Okay.
Thank you, honey. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is the best birthday ever in my life. If I didn't leave Bali, I will never see how beautiful world outside. I will never ever know how we have to struggle for life, because in Bali I always have a privilege and easy life in Bali. But yeah, living abroad actually teaching me so many things. So before we were in Wat Arun, and I feel like, wow, it's amazing. So yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, enjoy your cake from Starbucks, because I don't know where else we can find something. The cake is nice. Just
I just make a wish first.
Make a wish, because no candle. They don't have it, sayang. Sorry, sayang.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You are the best husband
But make
ever.
a wish.
Oh,
Thank
yes.
you so much. I love you, sayang.
I love you.
Okay. No blowing,
No.
but eat cake. Cake looks nice.
Smudge Rego, selamat makan.
Much like.
Now I know how my husband feel when he's living in Bali, married with me. It's not easy. Maybe for those of you always thinking that Damian married with Balinese, life is easy. No. Maybe if he is married with other ladies from other Southeast Asian countries, let's say if he doesn't have any good job, maybe working in like a big position, something like that, could potentially take a local job, like maybe being a busker on the street, or maybe selling something pierogi on the street in the night market. But no, he cannot do that in Bali. Otherwise, the next day he will get deported. So the thing is that I have to work hard, and we have to work hard. But our past life in Bali, it's not that easy as people thinking. Like most of the friends of me, most of the family members in my community, in my Banjar, always thinking, you are married with bule, you are married with foreigners, you must have a big account money. No. And everybody just trying to get money from my husband. Is just like ATM machine. But now we both living abroad, so now I can feel how is living as a foreigner abroad. It's so hard, and you really have to work hard. So yeah. I'm so blessed that having Damian as my husband. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say then.
Okay, so I'm starting crying now.
Just thank you so much also for the community in our YouTube who always support us, no matter where we are. And yeah, life has to go on, right?
Yeah.
And yeah.
I nearly cry, as you can see, actually. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for being with us. Yeah, we're gonna making some adventure from Thailand for over the next few months. I hope so. Some of you gonna bear with us, and we're gonna celebrate the Winnie's birthday right now. We are boarding the orange flag boat, local boat, going to some cool place in Bangkok. Check this out. Are you excited, Sayan?
Yes.
Let's get inside. That's how does it look like when you are going to the boat. Woo, very loud. The lady is checking the tickets. In the boat looks like this one, with the beautiful view of the panorama of Bangkok, baby. Check this out, this little boat here. Also at the front is Iconceum. But we are not going now to Iconceum, though. Ayan, what do you think, huh?
Wow, this is a super duper cool experience ever. It's totally different from the canal boat, yeah, honey?
Yeah.
This one much bigger.
Much bigger, and check this out, this boat is actually big. That's how you see it, 16 bahts only for the ticket, and beautiful view of the Bangkok. And this is the front of the mall. Wow, so cool. So this is the super cool local boat like this one. Costs you 16 baht, one way, wherever you like to go. And it's actually very convenient and comfortable, to be honest. That was super cool ride on the boat, huh? I'm still excited. We just arrived to the Wat Arun, one of the must-visit places when you are in Bangkok. It's beautiful, beautiful weather. Today, sunset time. It's already 5:15 and it's so cool. Also, we took the orange flag local boat for 16 bahts only per person, one way, wherever you go. Very easy to get, navigate.
The ticket costs us around 100 baht per person. So yeah, let's explore more.
Let's explore more. Here we go, guys. This is the first look of the Wat Arun, overlooking with sunset together. Actually, so cool. Nice place, isn't it? Eh? What do you think? Okay, let's get inside. Let's explore. I think we can get inside, no?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Meanwhile, this is like a beautiful park here, and of course, the easiest way here and the cheapest is come by boat. What we did. Okay, let's start since the beginning, which is coming through the main gate. Get inside, but this looks like this one, so beautiful actually. It's open up to 6 o'clock, so we have like literally 45 minutes to explore this place. And this is the main entrance, and check this out, look up like this one.
Really, this is the best place. I mean, when you are in Bangkok, you know, top best visit place actually.
Yeah,
wow,
wherever you type
it's
bike.
worth it.
Definitely, and wherever you type Bangkok, this is like one of the most popular tourist destinations. But I think no matter if you are tourists or expats or whatever, you should come and visit this place. And this is like, well, looks like this one. I think we can get inside, yeah?
Let's go up.
Look at this, looks like this one. People coming to making pictures here, obviously. And well, this place is pretty huge, I'm gonna tell you. And look at the architecture, and how tall is this temple actually? Wow, I'm not into like a very temple person, however I really like to explore the biggest one, and this one is actually really cool, especially when I was here last time I didn't come inside. And check this out, level of details of this one, for example, like this one right here.
So one thing I just see it around, many people come here dressed up nicely with the Thai traditional outfit and making pictures. So pretty. Let's go up. Look at that. So high.
And you can actually walk there as well. Okay.
Look at the beautiful sunset, and wow. It's amazing place to visit. Very well recommended. Look at this sunset. Amazing. Wat Arun, Temple of Dawn. Wat Arun gets its name from Aruna, the Indian god of the dawn, hence its common name, the Temple of Dawn. The location of the temple is in the area that used to be occupied by the palace of King Taksin, who re-established the Siamese kingdom after the fall of Ayutthaya more than 200 years ago. The main Buddha image is believed to have been designed by King Rama II. What Arun often called the Temple of Dawn is one of the most remarkable visual identities of Bangkok. The imposing Khmer style prang or tower is 104 meters tall and decorated with bits of porcelain that was used as ballast by boats coming from China. And it is surrounded by 4 smaller prangs. The construction of the prangs was started by King Rama II and completed by King Rama IV. The central balcony is an ideal spot for looking across the river to the Grand Palace and the Temple of the Emerald Buddha.
By the way, this is very huge complex of the temples, not only Wat Arun, but so many other smaller everywhere around. If you have time, I recommend it to walk a little bit around, of course facing the river, right?
So amazing. This is, what I can say, the, recommended place that whenever you are going to Bangkok, it's amazing.
I mean, I know some people prefer watching the temples, cultural things, some others not, but definitely one day you can make it for watching the places like this one, exploring. It's really worth it. I didn't go last time, but now I'm making the completing the ticks of the list what to see in Bangkok. This one is actually very nice. Unfortunately, it's closed for some renovations ongoing on, but actually facing right now the sunset sky. So beautiful.
Wow, look at that beautiful sunset over there.
Check this out, the beautiful temple complex and sunset just facing my lens with the lantern over here. Some parks and the temple Wat Arun in the background. So beautiful and calm place in the heart of Bangkok. And then is the river and overlooking the city center, but also the old part of Bangkok. So it's very cool. This is like 360 shot for you especially.
Amazing.
Okay.
So now let's take boat and we will go to different spot, yeah, honey?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and thank you again for your birthday wishes that you already mentioned. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.